Now we are going to discuss about some quadrilateral. For that special shape is trapezium. The trapezium property is one opposite sides are parallel. So in a quadrilateral we have four sides. Among them one pair or parallel, and in other parallel it may be any form. So here we are going to consider four sides shape. One side is parallel implies this one called trapezium. Now trapezium shapes are different. The trapezium things we are going to study. Here this is the perpendicular line about the base, this one or this one. So it's a perpendicular line. We can look like this one also. It's also perpendicular line. It's a trapezium shape. So compare this two. Similarly, you can realize this is also perpendicular line, and these two lines are parallel. These two lines are unparallel. Similarly, we can consider this shape. This is also parallel. So this is also a trapezium shape. Now consider this two line. This is also parallel, and this one is a perpendicular line. So automatically this is also trapezium. So like that we have a trapezium shape. Now we are going to realize the trapezium area. Don't follow the instruction. You can do by yourself using the formula. Right. Suppose this is the trapezium. The total length is A. This length is B. That is, the parallel sides are A and B. Consider this is the height. So both are equal. Now we are going to find the area of trapezium. We are going to divide by using a perpendicular line 1 and 2. So now we have a three shapes. This is a triangle with the base this one. So we are going to use this length is small c. This length. So here the length of this one is look like a rectangle. This shape is a rectangle. So B. So B is the length of this rectangle, and H is the breadth of the rectangle. And so third one, a triangle, base this length D and this length height H. So now the area of the whole shape is area of the first triangle, rectangle and triangle. So we have three area. So here 1 by 2, area of the triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. So for that, here base is nothing but nothing but C and height H. So 1 by 2 base into height, C into H. Here area of the rectangle, base into height, B into H, base into height. And area of this triangle, base D and height H. Now among these three, H is the common term, we can take outside. So 1 by 2 C plus B plus 1 by 2 into D. From this, 2 is the denominator. So you can write the 2 in denominator. So C plus 2B, we have a LCM 2. So multiply 2 and divide by 2. So 2B and D. C plus 2B plus D divided by 2. Now H into C plus 2B plus D, all are these things. Now we are going to use this thing. Now C plus B plus D value total A. Length of A is, we are divided like that, C, B, D. So you are going to separate your 2B as B plus B, that is C plus B plus D value, that is A. So A. Now A plus remaining on B, B divided by 2. So this shows that area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 H into A plus B. So remember this formula using this idea, right? Now suppose you have a trapezium like that. Here this length, that is sum of the parallel sides A plus B and height 3, like that picture given. So you are going to consider A equal to 9 centimeter, and B equal to 7 centimeter, and height equal to 3 centimeter. or you can use a equal to 7, b equal to 9, like that you can interchange. Now 1 by 2 into base h into a plus b, substitute h into a plus b. So for that 1 by 2, 3 into a plus b, so 9 plus 7, so 3 into, you can cancel by 2, 8, 3 into 8, so 24, right. Next problem. Suppose this is the trapezium shape given. Now it's a perpendicular line given, so we are going to consider a value this one, b value this one, and height value this one. So a value 10 cm, b value 5 cm, h value 6 cm. So area of the trapezium equal to 1 by 2 h into a plus b. So 1 by 2, h value 6, a value 10, b value 5. So add 15. So 6 into 15. Divide by 2, no, so 2 you can cancel by 6. So 3 15s are 45. So now the area of this trapezium is 45 centimeter square. So just one general idea you needed to study. Now rectangle and squares satisfied the opposite side. On opposite side, these two sides are parallel, or these two sides are parallel, no. So we can tell rectangle also a trapezium. Similarly square also trapezium, but trapezium, this shapes parallel, okay, these are unparalleled, no. So one side is parallel, another side is not parallel. So reverse wise, that is trapezium is not a rectangle. So this idea needed to study some statements about the shapes property, important one. So we can tell all rectangle and squares are trapezium, and trapeziums are not rectangle and square. Like that we need to understand, right. For that some problems given. First problem, the shape of the top surface of a table is trapezium. The view of the table top view given as a trapezium form. Find its area if its parallel sides are, these two sides parallel, 1 meter and 1.2 meter, and the perpendicular distance between them is, this is 0.8 meter. Using this idea, find the area of trapezium. So this is the shape given. So let a equal to 1.2, b equal to 1, and h equal to 0.8 meter. Now area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 base into height, 1 by 2 h into a plus b, 1 by 2 h value 0.8, substitute the value 1.2 plus 1. Don't change anything. Now 1.2 plus 1 is 2.2. So all are product form, no? So you can cancel it any one. So 1.2 into 0.8 into 2.1, you can cancel by 2. For 2, 1 point, for 2, 1. So 1.1. Now the product is 0.8 into 1.1. So 11 into 8. 11 into 8 value 88. So for that, here 1 decimal, here 1 decimal. So 1 decimal, 2 decimal, 1, 2. So 0.0. So that's a 0.88 meter square. Next problem. The area of a trapezium 34 centimeter squared, and length of one parallel side is 10 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. So the thing is, suppose this is your trapezium. One side is given as 10 centimeter in the parallel sides. One side is 10 centimeter, other side we need to find, but height value given and area of the trapezium also given. So given area of the trapezium is 34, that is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b equal to 34. A value of 10 centimeter, like that you can use, and h value 4 centimeter. Substitute 1 by 2 h into a plus b equal to 34. Area, total area of trapezium given, unknown value b. So we need to find b. So 1 by 2, 4 into a plus b. So a value 10. So okay. Now you can cancel by 2. So 2 into 10 plus b. 2 into 10 plus b equal to 34. You can write this product to know in the right side. 10 plus b equal to 34 divided by 2. So 10 plus b equal to 17. B equal to 17 minus 10. That is b equal to 7 centimeter. This is the one way of answer. Suppose you can consider 2 into 10. After cancelling this, 2 into 10 plus 2 into b equal to 34. So that is 20 plus 2b equal to 34. That is 2b equal to 34 minus 20. 2b equal to 14. That is b equal to 7. So this one or this one, any method you can use. Or similarly 1 by 2 into 4 into a plus b, 10 plus b equal to 34. Use This 1 by 2 we can write as right side 1 by 2 no, so into 2, 2 by 1 no, so into 2. Next 10 plus b equal to, this is into 4, we can divide by 4. After cancelling this, 2, 4, 2, then 2 and 34 catch 17. So 10 plus b equal to 17, b equal to 17 minus 10, that is b equal to 7 centimeter. Like that also you can find. Right. Next, length of fencing of a trapezium shaped field ABCD, that is length of the perimeter, that is perimeter, this 1, 2, 3, 4, sum of all the 4 sides is perimeter is 120 meter. If BC, CD and AD given, so sides are given, find the area of the field. Side AB perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. Here AD and BC, this line is perpendicular, like that given. So for that, so given BC 48, CD 17 and DA 40, AB we need to find. Why? We need to find area, no? So for that, this one is parallel sides 48 and 40, we can consider A and B. So this is height, because a side of a trapezium also possible to height, this is a height side. So this one we need to find. So perimeter of the trapezium equal to 120 meter, it's given. So there is sum of the sides BC plus CD plus DA plus AB equal to 120 meter. Sum is given. So 48 plus 17 plus 40, so 105 plus AB equal to 120, AB equal to 120 minus 105, so AB equal to 15 meter. So this length is 15 meter. Now we need to only area, no? So A value we know that, like that consider A equal to 48, B equal to 40 and H equal to 15. So parallel sides and H, like that use. Now area of the trapezium field equal to 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. 1 by 2 into 15 into 48 plus 40. 48 plus 40 is 88. Cancel by 2, 44. 15 into 44 is 660 meter square. Now area of the field is 660 meter square. Right. Next problem. 8th problem, this one. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. So we have two sides in that parallel sides. One is road side, another one is river side. The relation between the length are given. The length is along the river is parallel to twice the side along the road. In that road length, suppose 10 meter. So river side is 20 meter. That like that doubled. Road side is suppose 15 meter, river side is 30 meter. Suppose river side is 100 meter, road side is 50 meter. So like that relation given. Okay. If the area of his field is 10,500, the total area given, and the perpendicular distance between them, perpendicular distance also given. Find the length of the side along the river. So relation given, no. So using this relation, we are going to consider the solution as, here the road length is smaller, no, so let it by x, unknown value we need to find, so let it by x. So by comparing this, it's doubled. It's a road side, it's a river side, so 2x. That is, now area of the trapezium field is 10,500, so 1 by 2 H into A plus B equal to 10,500. For that, let x be the length of the road side. This is the length of the road side, so x. So A equal to x and B equal to 2x, like that. Or A equal to 2x, B equal to x, like that consider. And H equal to given height 100 meter. So now 1 by 2 H into A plus B equal to 10,500. So 1 by 2 into H value, no, so 100, A value x, B value 2x. So for that, just cancel by 2, 50. 50 into x plus 2x equal to 10,500. So x plus 2x we can add as 3x. So 50 into 3x equal to this one. So x equal to 10,500 divided by 50 into 3, or 3x equal to 10,500 divided by 50. After cancelling this, 3x equal to 210, that is x equal to 210 by 3, 70. After cancelling this, 70. Now x value is along the road side. We need answer along the river side. So that length of the side along the river equal to 2x. So 2 into 70, 140 meter. So this is the solution of these 4 problems. So now I am going to give some other problems. That means find the area of this shapes also. We needed to find the answers for this also. Thank you.